mo, ako na magtanong para madali.
Sige, Your Honor.
Nakita mo yung video.
Opo, Your Honor.
Yung bang video na yun, sinong kumuha?
Ako po, Your Honor.
Ikaw.
Opo.
Yung ba ay kailan mo kinuha?
Noong November 15 po yan. 2011.
Saan?
Sa airport po, sa NAIA 1 po.
Ito yung sinabi mo na kinuha mo sa oras na pagitan ng alas 8 ng gabi at alas 9 ng gabi.
Opo, Your Honor.
Tungkol kanino?
Kay CGMA po.
Sige, ayun. Boss.
May mga nakita rin po kami ibang tao doon sa video. Kilala niyo po ba sila?
That's vague, Your Honor.
Sige, pabayaan mo na. Kilala mo ba yung mga nandun, na mga tao?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Yung mga kasama ni GMA.
Hindi po.
Hindi niyo na po kilala po.
Yung IUC counsel, I'm not criticizing you, but you are overburdening your witness with details of which he is incompetent. He is just a cameraman. He does not know who is there. He's just taking picture
Yes,
of
Your Honor. Thank you.
Former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Thank you, Your Honor.
But anyway, go ahead.
We will proceed, Your Honor. Nung sinabi mo nakunan mo tong video na to at sinabi mo yung recording, anong ginawa mo doon sa video na iyong na-record?
Alin po yung...
Nung nabanggit mo kanina, na kinunan mo tong video na to at may recording ka nakuha, anong ginawa mo doon sa recording na yun?
Nung nakapasok na si CGMA sa loob ng airport, so nagpahinga lang kaming saglit, and then required na po kami na i-turn over ng CF sa ENG van para ma-feed na yung materials, yung raw materials, para magamit na po ng office.
Ano po tong CF card po na?
Ito po yung bagong bala ng camera, compact flash.
Tapos ano po ang ginawa ninyo doon sa CF card na nasabi ninyo?
Pinid na po sa ABS-CBN.
Kanino po siya napunta sa ABS-CBN? Kung alam niyo lang po. Sino po ang pinagbigyan niyo po sa ABS-CBN?
Hindi ko alam kung sino.
What is the purpose of your question?
Your Honor, the counsel earlier, Your Honor, was questioning the authenticity of the evidence that we just
Are you
presented.
disputing the authenticity of this counsel for the defense of this documentary?
Ano?
Are you disputing it?
The recording itself, Your Honor, they have to authenticate it. But as the event that happened is public knowledge. But what we want is they comply with the
All
procedure
right, go ahead if you want to be
authentication.
Your Honor,
technical about it.
for purposes of authentication, we will have to go to two things, Your Honor. Pursuant to the electronic evidence rule, we need to show the video, which the cameraman has already identified as his own. But after that, Your Honor, since it was a CF card that he actually established as the basis of the recording, we will then have to present, Your Honor, the custodian of the actual CF card, and then present, Your Honor, the person who actually gave the compact disc to this honorable court. So to save on the process, Your Honor, on that process, may we just ask the other party to stipulate if the compact disc that was actually given, Your Honor, by the ABS-CBN is actually the...
Actually, I cannot speak for the defense, but may I address this question? Are you denying the fact that this happened, that it was recorded in this video, and that it depicts of an event? It does not say anything yet about the only thing it says that an event happened at the
November 15.
on November 15 between the hours of 8 and 9 in the evening, and it is represented here, and that it involves the presence of the former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo at Ninoy International Airport. So, for what purpose, we do not know why she was there. That's all. Do you deny that?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May I extend my apologies to the entire
Yes.
court, Your Honor? I'm sorry,
No
I was
problem,
marooned
no
on the way. I wanted to fly, but I could not, Your Honor.
We understand, we understand.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, I understand my dear compañero is asking for a stipulation relative to the diskette.
As authenticity of the compact list that
I'm
was
sorry,
submitted.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. We have not seen this diskette. We do not know what the contents thereof are. Although,
We just viewed it.
yes, Your Honor, but we do not even know whether what we viewed comes from the diskette, Your Honor.
Actually, Your Honor, may I make a manifestation? Oh, sorry. Senior Brad. go ahead.
Thank you, Brad.
Ah,
Go ahead.
Can you show the diskette to them?
actually, Your Honor, may I make a manifestation, Your Honor?
Yes.
On February 14, Your Honor, during the pre-marking of exhibits, this compact disc was actually shown to the other counsel, Your Honor. I have the transcript right here. And
Oh,
this
you
was
pala eh.
Yeah, but was there any stipulation relative to what it is?
yes, Your Honor, but
It was shown and it was marked. That is all what the proceedings will show.
And-
We may be going too far, which is beyond what you are asking us to do.
in that case, Your Honor, if they will argue on the authenticity of the compact disc, we will be forced to present the head librarian of ABS-CBN to actually explain how the SF card became a compact disc.
Not that we are disputing what you are trying to claim now, but what we are telling the Honorable Court is that we are not in a position to enter into any stipulation relative to the authenticity of that diskette. Is that beyond our capability, being the defense of the Chief Justice Corona? Or you would like us to just admit whatever you want us to admit? I'm sorry, Your Honor, I should have addressed it to the court, Your Honor. I wanted to accommodate as what the court will notice before. When we are in a position to admit, they are merely asking for a stipulation. We already admit, Your Honor, just to cut short the proceedings, Your Honor. We are sorry that we have gone this far in our attempt to at least make the proceedings entirely conformable to what is known as due process, Your Honor. We never had waived any of our rights, Your Honor.
Counsel.
If they will not stipulate as the authenticity of the compact disc, Your Honor, we will then present the head librarian of ABS-CBN.
Do you have the head librarian here?
Yes, Your Honor, we
All
have her
right,
here.
Then bring her.
We have no more questions, Your Honor, to the cameraman.
Do you have any cross on this witness? Or are you going to postpone the cross until you start with the cross of the
I wanted to start, Your Honor, just to show our cooperation to the Honorable Court, Your Honor. But definitely we are not in a position to conduct any intelligible cross-examination. We were not privy to the direct examination. May we humbly request, Your Honor?
They did not, well, they only asked whether he took this video. That's all. All that the witness said, I took this video on this day, between these these hours, and it involves the former president. And that he knew the former president.
We will still, with due apologies, Your Honor, and with the indulgence of this Honorable Court, we will still plead that we be allowed to go over the direct examination of the witness.
So you
Your Honor.
want to postpone your cross on this witness?
Yes, Your Honor, even by tomorrow, if
All right.
there'll be no more atrocious
What
traffic.
is the
as we
pressure of the prosecution?
Your Honor, may we ask our lead prosecutor for Article 7 to express his concern?
Yes.
Actually, Your Honor, nagpumayag kami sa proposal ng depensa kanina na hintayin ang defense counsel. Tapos later on na i-direct na lang muna ang witness at subject to cross pagdating. Kasi po gusto naman po naming bilisan. Ayaw na po naming humaba pa ang mga testimony po. Simple lang po talagang testimony ng cameraman po eh. Akong kumuha niyan. Ngayon, actually, public knowledge na halos to ang sa airport po eh. Kaya nagulat kami na pati yung authenticity, ipang presenta pa kami ng additional witness. So, para sa amin po, kung maaari lang po, siguro mag-recess ng 5 minutes, tingnan po ng defense counsel, yung transcript, iksi lang naman po ang yung direct ng aming counsel. So,
anyway,
if he can cross na ngayon po, para hindi na
para
mapostpone.
hindi na matatagal pa, I will suspend the cross-examination. Proceed with your next witness.
Well, Thank you, Your Honor. The next witness is about the next part is the continuation of the
Anytime
cross.
The witness is ordered to stay. Doon sa, bumaba ka sa witness stand at huwag kang alis.
Opo, yung